Welcome to Guangzhou, a city where ancient traditions meet futuristic ambition. Known as Canton, this southern Chinese metropolis is a vibrant blend of history, innovation, and world-famous cuisine. As the capital of Guangdong Province, Guangzhou has thrived as a global trading hub for centuries, giving it a unique cosmopolitan spirit. Nicknamed the Flower City, its streets are alive with color, energy, and the scent of blossoms. Here, you can wander from centuries-old temples to cutting-edge skyscrapers in a single day. The city's bustling markets, serene parks, and dynamic food scene make every moment an adventure. Whether you're exploring hidden alleyways or sharing a meal with locals, Guangzhou is a place to experience with all your senses. Get ready to discover a destination that's as unforgettable as it is welcoming. Let's dive into what makes Guangzhou truly special. Start your journey at the iconic Canton Tower, soaring 600 meters above the city for breathtaking panoramic views. For thrill seekers, the glass skywalk offers a heart-pounding walk in the clouds. Next, head to Chimelong Safari Park, where you can drive through habitats with giraffes, lions, and even visit a giant panda breeding center. It's a rare chance to connect with wildlife right in the city. Of course, Guangzhou is a food lover's paradise. This is the birthplace of dim sum. Experience a traditional yum cha brunch, sampling hargao, egg tarts, and more from steaming bamboo baskets. From bustling food streets to fine dining, every meal is an adventure. Don't miss local favorites like wonton noodles and roasted goose. In Guangzhou, sharing food is sharing culture. Step back in time at the Chen Clan Ancestral Hall, a masterpiece of Cantonese architecture and folk art. Marvel at the Sacred Heart Cathedral, a granite Gothic landmark reflecting Guangzhou's global connections. To feel the city's pulse, stroll Shangxiaju Pedestrian Street, lined with unique Qilu buildings, shops, and street food vendors. It's the perfect spot for people watching and soaking up local life. For a magical evening, take a Pearl River night cruise. Watch the city's skyline light up, gliding past landmarks like Canton Tower and Haixinsha Bridge. The river offers a tranquil, unforgettable view of Guangzhou's vibrant heart. History and modern life blend seamlessly here. Getting around is easy. Guangzhou's metro is clean, efficient, and connects all major sites. Grab a Yangcheng Tong card for seamless travel on metro, buses, and some taxis. Visit between October and March for the best weather. Cool, dry, and perfect for exploring. Learn a few phrases in Cantonese or Mandarin. Even a simple ni hao or magoi goes a long way. Taxis and ride shares are plentiful, but have your destination written in Chinese. Pack light clothing and an umbrella if visiting in summer. Embrace the contrasts: historic temples, lively markets, and unforgettable food. Guangzhou isn't just a destination, it's an experience you'll carry with you long after you leave.